Hi everyone, in front of me I've got FREEYOND M6 and let me share with you how to check the IMEI number of this device. So let's start with opening the dialer. I will show you two different ways of checking the IMEI numbers. We have to enter the keypad and enter the code, which is *#06#. And as you can see right here, we've got both IMEI numbers for both SIM slots. So let's tap on OK. And now let me show you another way through the settings. So we have to open them. Then let's scroll down to the very bottom and find About Phone. And now we have to scroll down to find both IMEI numbers for both SIM slots. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.